Hello there. In this feature review, we're going to talk about asset management with Makula. For machine and equipment suppliers, staying ahead in the game is everything. But in a world filled with complex machinery and ever evolving equipment, it's easy to feel like you're navigating a maze blindfolded. The challenge? Managing assets efficiently to prevent costly downtime and maximize performance. Enter Makula's Asset Management, a game changer that streamlines asset tracking. Say goodbye to the chaos of scattered information. No more unexpected errors or breakdowns, as you can schedule maintenance and keep your assets in their prime. Add parts, custom fields, add machine documentation, and take charge of your asset management with comprehensive machine histories. Empower your team with real-time updates, even in the field with our mobile-friendly platform. Leverage advanced reporting and analytics for deeper insights. With Macula's asset management, you're in control, minimizing disruptions and staying ahead of the game. Book a demo and let us help you get there.